Pay attention to this. I'm going to show you how I make an anime-style video or film using free AI that you can try right now. In this video, I'll explain step-by-step how to make it without spending any money, no subscriptions needed, and you can access this AI completely free forever. Let's jump straight into the tutorial video, but please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so I'll be even more excited to keep making cool content for all of you. To make an awesome anime, you've got to use this one AI. It's called MovieFlow. Click on the website movieflow.ai. Here you'll see that this site has several important features you can use. It even lets you create music, educational videos, and ad videos for free. If we scroll down, you'll notice that this AI has some pretty advanced features compared to VO3. To make a video here, you just need to type one command, and it will automatically create a complete film ready to watch. If you scroll further down, you can see examples of movies that have already been made, including Studio Ghibli-style films and anime, all made using this free AI. You can also make music videos in different styles, and there are several templates available for free. There are even educational video templates, which are perfect for kids if you want to make something educational for them. There are also ad videos, so you can easily promote your products using this AI. As for the pricing, the subscription starts from $10 per month with 1,000 credits per month. Then there's the Pro plan, which costs around $50 and gives you 6,487 credits. And the Ultra plan costs $1,000 and gives you 197,000 credits. But don't worry, we can actually use this AI completely free without spending any money. Just click on Sign Up. You can log in with your email and password, or just use your Google account if you already have one. Once you've logged in, this is the main dashboard of MovieFlow. When you open the sidebar, you'll notice there aren't many menus to see. If you click on your profile, you'll see how many credits you have. For new users, you won't get any credits at first, but you can add some by clicking the gift icon. Then just grab your invite link and share it with your family or friends. Each successful invite gives you 500 credits. For example, I've invited 7 friends and earned 3,500 credits to make videos on MovieFlow. So you don't need to spend a single cent. Just invite a few people and you'll have credits to use. So how do we make a video here? Go to the Home section. Here, you'll see a bunch of videos that have already been made, short films created by other users. You can also find some templates, including anime video templates made by MovieFlow users. There are other templates too that look like total masterpieces made with this AI. If you scroll further down, there's the Inspiration Lab, where you can use pre-made templates provided by the site. For example, there's a narration feature that includes several ready-to-use templates complete with characters. You can use any of them as you like. Then there's a music video section, where you can create a music video just by entering a command and choosing a template. Next, there's an educational video section with several templates that I think are perfect for kids. And after that, there's an advertising video section where you'll find 2 templates to promote your products. Lastly, there are 2D and 3D video sections. In my opinion, this AI is already powerful enough for creators, especially if you're a content creator yourself. In this video, we're going to try using and exploring this AI together. To use it, you can either write a prompt or pick a template. If you write your own prompt, make sure it's complete. Include the video style and details so you'll get the best result possible. But for this example, we're going to use the anime template below. Now, to create the prompt, I used ChatGPT. In the free ChatGPT version, I asked it to make a 1-minute anime story with a plot and script. Then I just hit send, and ChatGPT instantly generated a storyline that matched what I wanted. Once it's done, you can copy the prompt that ChatGPT created. Next, go back to MovieFlow. On the template you want to use, click Try This. Then just paste the idea or prompt you created earlier. Once you've entered your prompt, there are a few more settings you can adjust. For example, you can use the Inspiration Lab below. But we'll skip that for now. Then, choose the language you want your video to use. There are quite a lot of language options available here. For example, I'll pick English. You can turn on or off the auto-script feature as you like. Since we're using an inspiration template, we can't manually set the duration. It'll be generated automatically. After that, just choose whether you want the video in portrait or landscape mode. I'll go with landscape for this example. Once everything's ready, hit generate, and the video will start processing. It usually takes about 5 to 10 minutes for the script and video to be fully generated. After waiting for a bit, the video result is finally done. You can see it right here on the screen. Let's close the chat section first, and now you can see several scenes that have been generated. Each of these scenes includes the prompts we made earlier, and of course, the result looks amazing. Now, if there's any scene that turns out wrong or has an error, you can simply fix it and regenerate it again. For the final result, you can check it in the top left corner. This is the finished video.
I've been expecting this meeting, Itachi. Fate seems eager to see us fight again. This time, I won't let you slip away. Then come and prove it! Still as sharp as ever. And you're still too predictable. Reading my every move again, huh? You should know that's my specialty. Chidori! Show me your resolve! Damn, he's gone. You can't block what you can't see! You underestimate me. You've improved, but you're still chasing shadows. Then I'll become one. Even fire obeys your will. Everything burns in silence. Let us end this, Itachi! I can't lose. Not this time. Perhaps you already have. Now! Too late! Until next time, Itachi. If there is a next time.
As you can see, the video has a pretty big watermark on it. Don't worry, it's super easy to remove. Just download the video by clicking the arrow button, then check the option Without Watermark. To remove the watermark, it will cost 550 credits, depending on the video's length. The longer the video, the more credits it will require. Once you've downloaded it, the video will be saved to your device. Now let's check the sidebar. You can see your remaining credits there. In this case, there are still 2,950 credits left, which means we only used 550 credits. Basically, when you use this AI, you won't lose any credits just for generating videos. The credits are only used when you choose to remove the watermark from your video. That's all for today's video. I hope this video is useful and you can get a lot of good things from what I've shared. See you in my next video.